It is not safe to backfeed ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, breakers when used as a main in a panel for a swimming pool. There are several reasons, including code violations, increased risk of electrical shock, and reduced functionality. Firstly, backfeeding GFCI breakers violates the National Electrical Code, or NEC, which requires GFCI protection for all 120-volt, 15 and 20 amp receptacles near water, including swimming pools. Secondly, backfeeding a GFCI breaker can bypass its internal trip mechanism, increasing the risk of electrical shock in the event of a fault. Thirdly, GFCI breakers are designed to trip when they detect a ground fault. Backfeeding them can disable this protection, potentially creating hazardous conditions. The proper way to wire a swimming pool panel is as follows: 1. Main GFCI breaker tied to the house panel. 2. Standard circuit breaker for the pump. 3. Standard circuit breaker for the heater. 4. Standard circuit breaker for the pool light, with GFCI protection. The practice of backfeeding GFCI breakers violates code and safety standards. Also, not providing GFCI protection for the pool light leaves the pool area vulnerable to electrical shock. It is crucial to have the pool panel wired by a qualified electrician who adheres to the NEC and industry best practices.